Today I'm going to be showing you around Sydney's Museum of Contemporary Art, known as the MCA. I'll be checking out the latest exhibitions and letting you know why this is a must visit if you go to Sydney. Situated in Sydney's iconic Circular Quay and the Rocks area, this museum is an opportunity to engage with the art of today. The MCA, as it's known, is the only public collection in Australia dedicated to the work of living artists, with over a third represented by Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander artists. It is an independent, not-for-profit organisation, and the MCA raises over 85% of its revenue each year through donations and commercial activities. It was free after 2020, but it has recently started to have an entry cost, which I didn't know until the last time I went there a few weeks ago. And it is $35 for adults for all exhibitions, or $20 for general admission, so that doesn't include the major exhibitions, and it is free for Australian students and under 18s. So they have long-term exhibitions at the MCA as well as touring major exhibitions. They regularly showcase the work of well-known and local artists, and there is an amazing space for large installations. One of my favourite large touring exhibitions was Lindy Lee. And they often have activities on, especially during the school holidays, up in the activity space. So that's fun if you've got a family or you just like doing arts and crafts. So during this visit, the major exhibition was by American artist Julie Mehretu. And this was really interesting. She was born in Ethiopia in 1970 and is renowned for her powerful and often monumental paintings, which erupt with colour, energy and movement. Drawing on histories of art and architecture, Mehretu's paintings use abstraction as a richly layered language to speak to urgent contemporary issues. So I think MCA is a must visit for any trip to Sydney. The location, to start with, it's located just right on the harbour and next to the rocks, so you can make it part of a day out seeing Sydney Harbour, the Opera House, Botanic Gardens, or going up into the rocks. If you come on the weekend, there's markets at the rocks, which is always good fun. The cutting-edge modern art exhibitions and the amazing views from the restaurant also make it a must-see. So I highly recommend a visit. If you're riding by cruise ship, the MCA is right next to the overseas passenger terminal. So if you come into OPT, it's just right opposite where you come in. I will link above my video about the OPT and the area around it, and that shows where the MCA is. So let me know in the comments below if you visited the MCA and what your favourite exhibition there was. And please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. It really does help my channel grow, and by subscribing you'll get to see when all my videos come out first. I do lots of videos around Australia and the world. So Sydney, Melbourne, I've got a lot of videos up. I'm about to go on a Trans-Pacific cruise to Japan and Alaska and then America and Canada, and then to China after that, so there'll be videos from all of those. So if you subscribe, you'll get to see those first. And if you like, it really does help my channel grow. So please just press the like button. Thanks, see you next time.